subscribe to ARZONE channel and also click into the bell icon for more updates and for more videos.
Alright guys, in this video I will show you how to color grade like this. So if you are interested, watch the whole tutorial and then you can easily understand how to color grade like this. So hey guys, I am Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. Subscribe this channel and also hit the notification icon so that you can find these kinds of tech news at first. So let's begin. Okay guys, for color grading I will use Lightroom app for Android. So I will do the things which you must do, then you can make this kinds of color grading very easily. So do the settings which I am doing. So just follow me. Okay guys, if you want to save this on your gallery, click into the share icon and then click into save to device, and then it will export and then it will save to your gallery. So that is our video. Subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.